candle flame, the thousand dreams I dream, the splendid things I plan. I always built to last on wake and shifting sun. I live by night and shine the naked light of day, and only now I say how the years have run away. Yesterday, when I was young, there were so many songs that waited to be sung. So many word pleasures that lay in store for me, and so much in my dazzled eyes I refused to see. I ran so fast that time I knew the last run out, and I never stopped to think what life was all about. And every conversation that I can recall concern itself with me in nothing else at all. Yesterday, the moon was blue, and every crazy day brought something new to do. And I used my magic aids as if it were a wand, and never see the ways and emptiness beyond. The game of love I played with arrogance and pride, and every flame I lit so quickly died. The friends I made all seem somehow to drift away, and only I am left on the stage to end the play. Yesterday, when I was young, there were so many songs that waited to be sung. So many word pleasures lay in store for me, and so much pain my dazzled eyes refuse to see. There are so many songs and neither will be sung, 'cause I feel the bitter taste of tears upon my tongue, and the time has come for me to pay for yesterday when I was